welcome to RDX Goa News Bulletin with me, Vidhi. Let's take a look on today's headlines. People shouldn't consider Modi as a great administrator, MP Francis Sardina. Dayanand Devulkar will be the next Margao chairman. Lalu Prasad Yadav sentenced to imprisonment for 5 years in the Fodder case. Now the news in detail. Gujarat being business-oriented state, still it is on the 11th position. Therefore, there is no need to pamper the Gujarat's Chief Minister Narendra Modi, said MP Francis Sardina. He said that the people shouldn't consider Modi as a great administrator. Mandar Nayak reports from Margao.
Modi, who is the material for Prime Minister candidate of BJP. And some of them say he is such an administrator. He is right now Chief Minister of Gujarat. And I am ashamed to hear that Gujarat is 11th among all the states in India. I am saying if he is so good, why his state is not performing? And don't forget, Gujaratis are industrious people, not like other states. So even then, Gujarat is 11th. So what I want to request, though the elections are, we are still not talking about election, but don't consider this Modi as a robot who will bring everything, all revolution in the country. Only I want to tell the Indian voters, be careful of such a man. He will only bring division, and whatever now peace and progress there was in the country, that will come to a standstill and that will be negative.
The signs of Dayanand Devulkar getting elected unopposed as the Margao chairman is clear. Today being the last day for filing the nomination for this post, no nominations are filed. Therefore, Dayanand Devulkar will be elected unopposed as the Margao chairman. Mandar Nayak reports from Margao.
आज 12 वरांपर्यंत आम्ही नॉमिनेशन्स रिसीव जाल्ली आसा, तातूंत देवूळकराचें नांव प्रपोज केल्लें आसा आनी 11 जाणांनी ताका प्रपोज केल्लें आसा. नॉमिनेशन एकच नांवाचें जाल्लें आसा, भास्कर देवूळकर दयानंद भास्कर हांगेले, वॉर्ड नंबर 14 आमचें, आनी ताका नॉमिनेट ताका केल्लें आसा आनी ताका प्रपोज केल्लें आसा 11 जाणांनी, 11 कावन्सिलरांनी. अपोज.
11:45 आम्ही सीओच्या चेंबरात वचून देवूळकर सदानंद भास्कर हे कॅन्डिडेटाचे फॉर्म भरला. दयानंद देवूळकर भास्कर आमचो कॅन्डिडेट जो जावन आसा ताजे आमी फॉर्म भरला. and the best part is that which had never taken place in history is that all the 11 councillors have proposed his name to show the strength and support to Mr. Devulkar. To our knowledge, we have come to know that only one form has been filled, that is of our candidate, which is today itself unofficially Devulkar becomes.
Lalu Prasad Yadav has been sentenced to imprisonment for 5 years with a fine of 25 lakhs by Ranchi court in the Fodder scam case. The Supreme Court has given its verdict of imprisonment for him along with his 48 companions after 17 years. RDX Bureau's report. More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Utsav Traders, wholesale distributor and stockist for water tanks, ISO 9001 quality assurance, double layer tank Dolphin with 10 years warranty, triple layer tanks Jalpari with 20 years warranty, non-corrosive, excellent strength. At plot number 3, Landscape Development near Korlim Panchayat, Churchwado, Korlim, Ilas, Old Goa.
Unbeatable Dance Academy presents
Thunder Night 13,
and All Goa Inter-School Solo Dance Competition.
Grand finale on 4th October 2013 at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao at 6 p.m.
Live performance by DRD Little Master of Fame, Raghav K Rockstar Rohan.
Dial to dance 9822193700.
Tickets available at
Bombay Garments, Vasco.
Pastry Palace, Margao.
News channel partner RDX Goa.
Thunder Night 13.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पायाकडे आशिल्ली त्या फुलांनी आज तू त्याच देवाची भुई वाडटा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक चांगलेले पिका राखतलो.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
Bhavani Desi Kendra. Prefer country-made products with great zest and zeal to make the country strong. Address: Shop number 5, Anant Apartment, Naikvado, Kalangut, Bardes, Goa. Distributor for Bardes Taluka. For trade inquiry, contact 9822-122-529 or 9689946529.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आनी हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आनी धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. On the occasion of 60th birthday of North Goa MP Shripad Nayak, the BJP has organized Citizens Felicitation Program on 18th October, informed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. They are even thinking of inviting Sushma Swaraj for this occasion. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
फाल्यां 4 तारखेक तुमचे भाऊ श्रीपाद नाईक यांचो 7 वर्सां पूर्ण जाता. ताची जवळ म्हाका दिसता 35-36 वर्सां राजकारणांत. त्यामुळे सगळे मित्र मंडळीक अशें दिसलें की तांचो एक नागरी सत्कार हो घडोवन हाडचो. म्हणजे ओरिजिनल आयडिया आशिल्ली फाल्यांच करपाचो म्हणून, पण मागीर पार्लमेंटाचें कितें तरी एका हाजे खातीर जिनेवा एक मिटिंगेक ते भायर वतात तेन्ना हांवें ठरयलें की हो सत्कार तेंचे शिष्टमंडळ पार्लमेंटाचेर वता. त्यामुळे हो 18 ऑक्टोबर पणजे एक्झॅक्ट ग्राउंड खंयचो मॅग्नेट ग्राउंड पण वन ऑफ द कंपाल पणजे कंपाल इतले ते खातीर एक सत्कार समिती केल्या. सांजो कितल्यो सांजो 4:30 ते 7:30 प्रयत्न आसा. ताका लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन श्रीमती सुषमा स्वराज येवची म्हणून प्रमुख व्यक्ती म्हणून. आणि आमंत्रण सगळ्यांनी दिलं. पण मोदीचे सांगपाक येना शेड्युल्स सुषमा स्वराजाक हाडपाचो प्रयत्न आसतो. ताका आमी एक कमिटी केल्ली आसा. त्या कमिटीन सगळे मंत्रिमंडळ मागीर काही आमदार काही ठराविक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट आणि काही सोशल वर्कर्स समाजातले असे 107 जणांचो 108 म्हणून 108 जणांची आमी कमिटी केल्ली आसा. मिटींग 8 तारखेक 8 जातली आनी तातूंत भितर डिटेल ठरतले. बेसिकली भाऊजो सत्कार करप आणि नागरी सत्कार करप ही सगळ्यांची इच्छा आणि ताचो चेअरमॅन म्हणून म्हजी जबाबदारी दिल्ली आसा जी हांवें आनंदान स्विकारलेली.
Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has admitted that he possesses Serela Comunidad land, said Congress spokesperson Trojan de Mello. Hence, he should either resign or return this land back within 30 days, demanded Congress spokesperson Trojan de Mello. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
The tourism minister आसा तेणे लँड एनक्रोच केला सेरुला कोर्दियातलो हे तेणून मानून घेतलं आणि गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसरांक उजार करून एक गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसर इज ए पंचायत सेक्रेटरी अंडर डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत, दुसरे गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसर हू इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ऑफ नॉर्थ झोन इज द अंडर सेक्रेटरी इन द टुरिझम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस. हे दोघांक उजार करून फ्रॉम 15/7/2012 तेणें मुवमेंट करून आपले सगळे पास करून घेतले. 15/7/2012 दिलीप परुलेकर tourism minister was a minister when this file processed. The secretary of panchayat he brought him to the Sangolta panchayat which is under his jurisdiction because the general body meeting had passed it in the year 2011 in December, but December to 15/7 file move झाली ना. 11 तारखेक तेका सांगोळ धाडला, 15 तारखेक ते प्रेशर घालून ती लेटर बरोवन ऑर्डरी घेतल्या. राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस या फ्रॉडाचो दखल घेवन त्याचो राजीनामो ना जाल्यार ताका सीएमान सॅक करचो. राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीक रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टरान उत्तर दिवंक जाय की हो तिंचो RSS कल्चर काय म्हणून तो सूर्या वाघाक सांगता तो फॉलो कर म्हणून. विष्णू सूर्या वाघाक सांगता हो कल्चर तो आपलो सुसेगाद बसला दिसतो. हांगासर मिनिस्टर खाता लँड आमचे मागणी आसा की जोरी तोर ही लँड परत दिवंक जाय 30 दिसा भितर तो दिना जायत जाल्यार राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीचे लिगल कितें तरी उपाय काडटले आणि तेजेर आमी केस करतले.
BJP government has made all the provisions to give all the good facilities to the Goan citizens. They will also build a bridge over Mandavi River at Shorao similar to Kalvim, said Deputy Speaker Anand Sheth. He was speaking after the visit at Kalvim Bridge along with the GSIBC Vice Chairman and MLA of Sankelim Pramod Sawant. Sudesh Mayankar reports from Bicholim.
जेन्ना BJP सरकार गोंयांत अस्तित्वात आयलें ताच्या उपरांत माननीय मुख्यमंत्री आनी ह्या सरकारान गोंयांक एक बऱ्यो साधन सुविधा दिवपाक प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. त्या हातूंतल्यान अनेक ठिकाणी अनेक महत्वाकांक्षी प्रकल्प येवप हाचें उद्दिश्ट ठरयल्लें आसा. तातूंतलोच हो कालवी कारोणा पूल जो आयज खरें म्हटल्यार अत्यंत आवश्यकता आसली ह्या दोनूय भागांक जोडपा खातीर. हो पूल जसो अस्तित्वान आयिल्लो आसा त्याच बरोबर इतर सभोवतालचे पूल मया मतदारसंघाक जोडणारे अनेक हे आसा आनी ह्या बरोबरूच साल्वादोर दम्मून आनी चोडण असो दुसरो पूल जवळ हे टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस चालू आसा, सगळो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट जाल्लो आसा. कांयशा तेंपान ह्या पुलाचें फावंडेशन हे करून कामाची सुरवात जातली आनी अशे इतरूय पूल जे आसा ते पूल फुडें व्हरपाक साधन सुविधा डेव्हलप करपा खातीर विद्यमान सरकार वावुरतले आनी गोंयच्या जनतेक आनी गोंयकारांक एक स्पश्ट न्याय दिवन बरें सरकार हांगासर गोंयांत येवचें हाचे खातीर हे सरकार प्रयत्नशील आसा.
हो ब्रिज जो आसा तसो मुळात बिचोले तालुको आनी बार्देस तालुको त्याच्या मदीं जोडपी दुवो असो आसतलो जो इलेक्शनाच्या पूर्वी जो इन्सिडन्स जालो त्या इन्सिडन्सा खातीर मुख्यमंत्र्यान रोखडोच हो प्रोजेक्ट बेगिनात बेगीन पुराय करपाचो सांगलेलो. हेतूर थोडोसो जरी उशीर जालो आसत जाल्यार हो इन टायम आमी प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करपा खातीर शकलेले आसा. मदीं ह्या ब्रिजाच्या बद्दल एक थोडेशे जी अफवा थोडीशी पेपरांचेरूय आयली किंवा लोकांनी उठयली ती अफवा कांयच खरी नासून ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचें पुराय काम जें आसा हें वेवस्थीत रित्या जाल्लें आसा आनी बरो प्रोजेक्ट आमी बेगिनात बेगीन कंप्लीट करपाक शकलेले आसा. हाच्या उक्तावणाच्या सुवाळ्याक आमचे भोमानीस मुख्यमंत्री ग्लेन बाब टिकलो, आमचे हळदोणेचे आमदार, मयीचे आमदार हांगासर उपस्थित आसतले. एक जवळपास 13 ते 14 तारखेक अजून डेट फायनलायज जावंक ना.
I am with the views expressed by Rahul Gandhi and with the ordinance as well, which has been cleared by the government, said South Goa MP Francis Sardin. He also said that I am with Rahul Gandhi that criminal elements should be kept out from contesting. Sanjay Manali reports from Panjim.
I was with Rahul Gandhi. I am with Rahul Gandhi, but at the same time there are other arguments which I met various MPs. They say after a particular criminal or so-called guy who has been sentenced for 3 years, after his term is over, why do you ostracize him? He is a normal citizen and he should be free to contest the election because people choose them. It is not nomination in Rajya Sabha. So both the arguments are there. He is a reformed man because he has already gone through, and then it is people's choice after that. I am in favor of Rahulji's this, that the criminals should be kept out for a certain time. After the question you didn't follow. During imprisonment the question doesn't arise, he cannot contest. After coming out, they say certain period he should not be allowed. My viewpoint is they should not be allowed.
But ordinance should be withdrawn or not?
To contest.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Crafts fair, an exhibition, display, demonstration and sale of exquisite crafts brought by the craftsperson of northeastern states. Crafts on display, cane furniture, hand-printed woven textiles, saris, bed covers, embroidery, wood carving, terracotta, jewelry, art metallic ware, jute items and many more. From 3rd October to 28th October, 10 AM to 9 PM, including Sundays. Major credit cards accepted. At Goa Kshatriya Maratha Samaj Hall, opposite New Majestic Hotel, behind Sunday School, Porvorim, Goa.
Ponda Institute of Carving and Catering Technology organizes first born Junior MasterChef competition in association with Punjab Maharashtra Bank. Winners ₹1 lakh, runners ₹50,000, third chef ₹10,000. Trophy, 2-day outside stay. Age limit 5 to 15 years. For workshop, audition and competition, registration started. Last date 15 October. Regular courses in cooking, baking, fruit and vegetable carving. Also 6 months and 1 year diploma in hotel management. 100% placement, education loan provided. For more details, contact 2319-298 or 9158767634. Address opposite Lotlekar Apartment, Usmania Building, Nagaon Masjid, Ponda, Goa.
The best of the best. An institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयला ते कोणाच्यानच वाचूंक जायना पण एन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट अँड ऍडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता देखून ऍडमिशन घे फकत एन इन्स्टिट्यूट पोरवोरेम.
To be the best, you have to learn from the best. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, a name that hotel industry trusts. Admissions open for degree and diploma courses. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Goa's first ISO 9001-2000 certified educational institute. Nova Sidadi Commercial Complex, S1 Building, Alto Porvorim, Padres, Goa. Contact 0832 241 1350 or 9326 11491. Welcome back. Bharat Scouts and Guides organized an adventurous sports at Vasco to remove the fear from children's mind about water and to give the information about the water rafting. Kiran Borkar's report from Vasco.
Okay. This particular event that is been conducted today, we are conducting this for the 8th consecutive year at Vadem Lake. This activity is been brought over here in order that the Scouts and Guides overcome their fear of water, number one. Secondly, Scouts are trained in the art of knots and lashings. These knots and lashings, they are putting it to use to prepare the raft, which has been prepared of bamboos as well as PET bottles which are been thrown away. So, like well thought of waste, these Scouts, they are preparing this raft, and each raft can comfortably carry between 8 to 12 students.
When asked Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklow, he said that no BJP MLAs are upset with the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and these are just rumours. He was speaking on the purview of rumours that were spread about BJP MLAs being upset with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Porvorim.
की तुम्ही सगळे चडशे बीजेपीचे आमदार बेजारलेले आसा सीएमाचेर तितून भितर तुमचें नांव अशें आयकपाक येता.
That is totally false and probably fabricated because I सांग शकता तुमकां आमचो honorable CM मेळ्ळो आसा आमकां नशीब it's a God given gift because this man is working tooth and nail, he has sacrificed his life, he is working almost 18 hours and today as far as my constituency is concerned you can see the development works I have done. From the start I got elected, even on my birthday I have put everything black and white. And now you'll see the work starting. I have absolutely no problem. I have full cooperation, even the breeze. The next day my work started and almost its completion in almost a year and a little bit more of that. And so absolutely I have no problems. He has been working tooth and I know we have a finance problem. So people should understand that, our MLA should understand that. From where he is not going to manufacture notes. There's a constraint with the finance, mining is stopped one side. It's in the Supreme Court, it's sub judice. So in spite of that, he's making funds available. How he's making, he knows. And he's the only person who could do it. And time and again, we all MLAs should have sort of confidence in him and automatically everything will fall in place and the people of Goa and especially our youth all will be happy by the end of the day in this 5 years of our tenure.
Development work of Aldona constituency, which was brought to a standstill due to rains, will now commence in full swing and will be soon completed, informed Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklow. Approximately 1 crore 40 lakh rupees of development work was inaugurated at the hands of Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklow. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Aldona.
आज आम्ही उद्घाटन केल्लें आसा नाशनल बागान आनी हें काम जावन आसा गाडराचें काम. हे टेंडर ऑलरेडी 2 म्हयने पयलीं जाल्लें पूण पावसा खातीर आयज आमी काम सुरू करतले and almost about 56 lakhs worth हें काम हे नाशनल पंचायतीन गाडराचें काम जातलें. तितलेंच न्हू पोरजें काम चालू आयज आमी उद्घाटन फुडें आतां वेतले करपाक आनी आयज आमचे मतदारसंघान लोकांक आमच्या हल्दोणा लोकांक खूब काम आतां दिसून येतले कित्याक खातीर सगळें पेंडींग उरलेलें. हांव सांगूंक सोदता की आतां पावस जालो उपरांत आमी काम नेटान गटाराचें जावं रोडाचें काम फुडें जातलें इन द मंथ ऑफ डिसेंबर जानेवारी. तशें आतां आमचो ब्रीज बी पासून आयज ऑलमोस्ट इनॉग्रेशन डेट दिल्ली आसा दसऱ्या दिसा. ती पासून आमचो ब्रीज आमी आमचे मॅनिफेस्टोन सांगलें तें आमचे मुख्यमंत्रीन आपलें प्रॉमीस दवरून तें बी इनॉग्रेशन जावतलें. आनी ह्या खातीर आमच्या लोकांचो असो आमचो 5 मेंबराचो लोकांचो सपोर्ट जावन खूब गादिल्लीं कामां करून घेता आमच्या मतदारसंघ. टोटल आमचे गटाराचें काम नॅशनल आनी हांगा धरून हल्दोणा पंचायत आनी नॅशनल पंचायत धरून ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 1 crore 40 lakh तशी कामां आतां चालू जातलीं.
Before we wind up, here's the recap of the headlines. People shouldn't consider Modi as a great administrator, MP Francis Sardina. Dayanand Devulkar will be the next Margaon chairman. Lalu Prasad Yadav sentenced to imprisonment for 5 years in the Fodder case. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.